Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and guess what? I'm not at the studio because I'm here to show you something which is behind me. Yes, the new iPhone 16 series. The hype is real, and let's not waste our time and start with the unboxing of this device. So it's the teal color one, and its weight is quite good. It's like other devices, the other iPhones, and I'm not feeling any much difference in the weightage. If we talk about its design, its sleek design is same, but it's quite different because we've got the retro iPhone 12 camera look. It's not the diagonal cameras anymore. So let's go for the other specifications of it. If we talk about its display, it got 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR display, which is OLED obviously, and it got 120Hz refresh rate. The device comes with HDR10 and Dolby Vision, and it's committed. Let's check how it looks like. Moving on to its camera, the cameras are placed not diagonal, it's in a symmetrical way. It's not diagonal this time because it's a scientific reason, because the telephotography and the spatial photographs are better in a symmetrical way, not in the diagonal way. Let's click some pictures with it. Check out these photographs, the sharpness, the dynamic range. The Apple has clearly taken camera tech to the next level. The low light performance is stellar as well, with the night mode capture vibrant clear shots in the dim light. Let's go for the video mode and check out the new camera button. Okay, it's not that easy to use. I have to learn practicing it. I found its position also quite uncomfortable while capturing something. Okay, so when we tap and slide, it's zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. It's committing 20 hours of video playback, which is also a good range of video playbacking, and the screen timing is very well. It's running on the latest iOS, means iOS 18 with the latest chipset, A18 chipset. And of course, the iOS 18 brings improvement with the new privacy features and better integration with the Apple ecosystem. So if you are still on iPhone 15 series, then the 16 one is worth to upgrade. So what's yours say? If you want to stick on the current device or want to upgrade, just let us know in the comment section. If you find this video useful, then do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. I'll meet you in the next one. And one more thing, if you want me to cover any of the phone, just let us know in the comment section. Bye bye.